Hi, I am with my son and we're going to ask him now about my job, kung naiintindihan niya ba kung ano yung trabaho ko. Okay, are you ready?
Kung hindi, papaluin.
What's your name?
Pag hindi mo siya nakikinig. Nate!
Nate, how do you spell your name?
N-E-T.
That's good, okay. So, ano sa tingin mo yung ginagawa ko pag nagtatrabaho ako?
Gumagawa ng videos.
Videos? Ano pa?
Yun lang.
Yun lang?
Yun nakikita ko pag kumakain ka dito sa laptop.
Okay. Bakit sa tingin mo, bakit ako nag-work?
Kasi kailangan natin yung work para magkaroon ng pera.
Para saan ang pera?
Para makabili ng food.
Yes. Okay. And why do I ask you to keep quiet when I work?
Because quiets are disabled and working because not quiet, the calls will get angry and you too.
Okay. Anong mas gusto mo? Magtrabaho ako sa labas, sa office, or magtrabaho ako dito lang ako sa bahay mag-work?
Dito!
Bakit?
Kasi makikita kita.
Ano yung pinaka-favorite mong activity na ginagawa natin?
Banana.
Activity?
Diba nagpaint tayo dati ng banana? Hindi ko
Magpaint ng banana. Okay. Sa tingin mo, bakit ako sa bahay ako nag-work?
Para mataliman yung pera.
Okay. Last question.
What's the last question?
See.
Let me see.
Why do you always pray for mama and
Let me
papa?
see.
Yeah, here.
Oopsie. Oh! 6. Last question. Why do I pray always for you and Papa?
Yeah, bakit pinagpe-pray mo kami lagi ni Papa yung work
Because
namin?
I love you too.
And we love you too.
Yay!
Okay, is there anything sa mga bata na like you na yung mama nila nagwo-work sa bahay, ano yung advice mo sa kanila? Ano yung sasabihin mo sa kanila? Example, yung may friend ka na yung work ng mama niya or papa niya sa bahay din. Anong sasabihin mo sa kanya?
Ko alam.
Any advice that you want to give? Ano? Huh? You don't know? You don't know. Okay. Do you have anything else to say?
No.
No? Okay. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Hello, I am Nilin.
Hi, I'm your son, Nathan Matugas.
Today, I'm going to ask him about his understanding of virtual assistants. Si Nate po, nung buntis ako sa kanya hanggang sa paglaki niya hanggang ngayon, virtual assistant na po ako. So, we're going to ask him. I've interviewed him in the past already, but this is a completely new interview that he's now 10. And so, I want to hear what his thoughts about it. So, Nate, what do you think of my job?
I think it's pretty cool working a graveyard shift and being okay with it. That's mostly it.
Ano sa tingin mo yung ginagawa ko sa work?
You search for clients for stuff like that. Yeah. And then they make you do something for their podcasts or videos that they want to do. Yeah. Basically that.
I asked you this when you were younger. I think when you were about 3 or 4 years old. But would you rather that I work from home or that I work at the office?
Probably at home.
Why?
My sister.
What about your sister?
She cries when you're not here.
Okay. How do you think is virtual assistance helping families?
By working, having a stable money-making job. Yeah.
Okay. How do you think is virtual assistance possible? You see me working with different clients from all over the world, especially the US, and also working with other people from different areas of the globe. How do you think is that possible when we are here in the very small country called the Philippines?
Technology.
What about technology?
We have special things like phones, laptops, computers. Yeah.
What do you think is the most important characteristics for one to become a virtual assistant?
If they're new or if they have experience, it depends actually.
What about if they're new?
They don't have experience, and experience is mostly search for the job as a virtual assistant, so it will be a problem searching for them. And if you're a veteran, supposing like you have 3 years of experience, you could easily get into a job more quicker than that if you had no experience. Yeah.
You've seen me work for a very long time, right?
Yeah.
Graveyard shift. If there is one person who would reach out to you and ask you for advice on how they can get started with virtual assistants, what would you tell them?
I would tell them to go to you.
Yeah. Yeah, why?
You're the one that has experience.
Okay.
I don't work at a virtual assistant.
Okay. When you grow up, do you think you would be interested in working as a virtual assistant, or do you think you would go through a different route? You are now 10, and what do you think it would be for you?
I'd go to a different route because no sleep deteriorates your health pretty quick.
But you sleep at midnight too.
Still,
Still what?
you do it every day.
Okay. Thank you, Nate. Any advice that you can give to moms like me who are trying to juggle a lot of things? Juggle motherhood, being a wife, being a housewife, a mother, and a lot of other things. We are grumpy a lot of times. We get tired. We get angry easily because we are tired. What can you advise to us?
Try to distract yourself from reality. It can help a little bit if you are having trouble taking care of your children or something. Yeah, that's basically it.
Detach from a reality. Like, what activities do you think would fit a mom like me?
Since you're good at computers, probably video games I would suggest.
Roblox.
No, not Roblox. not essentially, but any video game would suffice, I guess.
Okay. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, and say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.